Hey guys, I'm trying to watch my Netflix here and I got this circle spinning. So it's a red circle that keeps spinning forever, forever, forever and never loads, okay? So to fix this, you just need to come back to home. So just get your remote control. Here, come back to home. Then come here to the settings. And then preferences, no applications. There we go. Manage installed applications, and here you're gonna look for Netflix. It takes a while to load, then you just keep scrolling down, down, down until you find Netflix. There we go. And here you're gonna force stop the application and try to load again, right? If it doesn't work yet, you just come back here and clear data and clear cache. But let me just try to load it again, launch the application again without clearing data or do anything else, and come back here to Netflix. And now I'm trying to log in one more time and see if the problem is fixed. So that's the initial loading. And then the second one, when I go to my account, there we go. Now it's working. See here, it's working pretty fine. And I can even load my movies, right? I'll just click here and check. See that now it's working pretty fine, okay? So that's the way you fix the problem with the red circle spinning forever on Netflix. I hope this helps. Please subscribe to this channel, leave your thumbs up and your comments, and I see you in the next one.